Hello and welcome to the South Carolina Business Review. This is Mike Switzer. When we think of the Grand Strand area of South Carolina, we think of fun times at the beach. Our next guest hopes that you will also soon be thinking of entrepreneurship and technology startup companies. Mike Schroll is founder of Startup.SC, a nonprofit technology incubator in Myrtle Beach. Mike, welcome to the program.
Hi, thanks, Mike.
Tell us about Startup.SC.
Startup.SC is bringing the idea of scalable startups to the Grand Strand. You know, it's kind of the next step beyond small businesses, that the internet has enabled you to create a company that can be a $10 million, $100 million, or larger company, because you can leverage the internet to have customers all over the world. And that's the kind of resources that we're providing to help people create those companies right here on the Grand Strand.
And so you'll be focusing strictly on web-based technology companies.
We are open to other companies that have ways to be scalable, perhaps a franchise, or if you're creating a physical product and you're selling that around the country or around the world, those could also be scalable businesses. But it's most often easy to accomplish with a web tech-based company.
And what type of services are going to be available to entrepreneurs there at your facility?
Everything from taking your idea and understanding what it means to evolve the idea into being a scalable idea, helping entrepreneurs with creating minimally viable products. That's kind of the first version of the implementation of their idea. Finding technical co-founders, understanding marketing and fundraising, and dealing with things that typical small businesses don't have to deal with, like equity and working with angel investors. Also, the method of fundraising by doing a pitch deck and going in front of those angel investors, that's an area we provide a lot of assistance because it's very different than traditional loans through banks.
Now, you have chosen some entrepreneurs already for your first group.
Yes, we were very excited. There's a number of people that we helped informally over the last few years while we ran a co-working space in the Myrtle Beach area. And we were fortunate enough earlier this year to receive a matching state grant from the South Carolina Commerce Department. And so now we're formally helping people. And so our first few entrepreneurs that went through our program were kind of at a later stage. And so we've helped them with their pitch decks and how to raise funds with investors. And some of them are actually going around the country right now working on their rounds.
Can you share with us some of these companies, what they're doing, what their products are, their technology?
Sure, absolutely. One of our entrepreneurs is Barb Royal with a startup called Kids Can Give Too, that's TOO. Her service helps kids share their birthday parties with a charity of the child's choosing. Instead of bringing traditional wrapped gifts to a party, instead when you electronically invite people online, they can RSVP, and when they do so, they make a donation. And through her site, the donated money is split between a charity of the child's choosing and the child getting a Visa gift card of the remaining amount so they can get the gift that they really want. We also have LunaDesk. Jerry Harrison has created a company that is an HR tool that helps people with collaboration, scheduling, and communication among employees and management of businesses fewer than 50 people. So imagine if you're a restaurant and you invest lots of time working on a schedule every week, and then everyone wants to trade shifts and you're having to update everyone. This puts it all online in the cloud, and employees can, right from their phone, trade shifts, and then managers can just review and approve shift changes, and everyone gets updated. So it saves managers lots of time every week. We also have FieldVine, which is a mobile productivity tool for in-the-field service businesses. For instance, are a contractor and you have people out there in the field doing work. It enables you to stay up to date with where they're at, what they're working on. If any issues come up, they can take photos and videos and not only update the field office, but the end customer on the status of what's going on. If there's a problem with a permit or the delivery of materials on the site, everyone gets to stay in the loop on what's going on with that project and helps move things forward faster.
Well, Mike, I see also here that you have a big event coming up right after the new year.
Yes, we're really excited. January 2nd in Myrtle Beach in the Market Common area, we're having kind of a Shark Tank pitch night event where we're going to not only show off our existing entrepreneurs by doing short pitches, but also our applications are open right now for people to submit new ideas. And we're very excited to invite some of those people to do 60-second pitches that evening and kind of get the vote of the audience as to who they believe should be a finalist and we should interview to consider accepting into the program.
Well, Mike, congratulations on the launch of your incubator. Good luck with everything going forward.
Thank you.
Mike Schroll is founder of Startup.SC, a nonprofit technology incubator in Myrtle Beach. We will have a link to his organization posted at our webpage so you can learn more. Our address is etvradio.org/scbr, where you can hear this show again and send us your comments. With the South Carolina Business Review, this is Mike Switzer.
The views and opinions expressed by the guests on the South Carolina Business Review are their own and not necessarily those of South Carolina ETV Radio.